Hello friends, we are back investigating. My name is Themba Robin, and standing here next to me is my namesake by the name of Robin. How are you, sir?
Goodwell, and you, eh?
Goodwell is a name of somebody else.
It's my second name, Robin Goodwell.
So as you can see, Robin's got his microphone. I'm not touching it because he scratched his bum with it. But more importantly, we're standing in front of his vehicle, which is an absolute superb machine. Robin, tell us about this, your car.
Okay, this I've had for 12 years. It started off as a station wagon, and then it didn't look so good, so we cut the station wagon off. We made it into a bakkie. Also didn't look so good, so we changed it into a 4-door. Then we welded up the back doors, and that's where it is now.
So clearly a lot of work you put into it.
Definitely. My heart and soul's in this car.
Yeah, no, I can feel it. I can feel it resonating from the vehicle, or it might just be the engine. Was it a V?
It's a, I'm not so sure. I think it's a straight 6.
Straight 6?
Straight 6, yeah.
Sounds like fancy stuff. Now, you're part of the BMW group that's here. They've said that this is one of the cleanest vehicles around, but then at the same time they were trying to dust
something off, yeah. So it happens as you get older. You know, I'm quite an old guy, and in the younger days it was the cleanest, but sometimes I forget to dust off, you know. You got to get rid of the cobwebs, but it is a clean car. It's won BMW's concourses. It's won all of them from the lowest category to the highest category. Just give them a little tissue there so they can wipe their noses, because they've been whipped by this car in concourse many times. Okay.
So as a parting bit of words there, a couple of misconceptions, or maybe they are true, ideas and myths about BMW drivers. Indicators, where do you stand on indicators?
Indicators are there, but you don't have to use them if you're a BMW driver.
Okay.
Because normally they only see you when you're going past. So most people, when they ask for a picture of this car, I give them the picture of the front of the car, because they normally only see the back. So you don't have to worry about indicators, okay?
And of course, BMW personality. I've had the privilege of spending some time with you guys now. A lot of banter, but are you guys bad dudes?
No, good bunch of guys. We got our chairman over there, who's an accountant, and I told you about accountants.
Yes,
I'm sure you got that. No, they're a great bunch of guys. They support each other, they help each other, they stick together. I've been member of the club, I don't know, since 2008, and I enjoy every moment of it. So, for instance, it's bad weather to take a clean car out today. They phoned me 10 to 9 this morning, and 5 seconds later I was on my way here. So
10 seconds later he was actually here. But there we go. From a proud BMW driver. See you guys later.
Thanks so much, eh?